Understanding feet up in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, feet up. This might sound simple, but there's more to it than meets the eye. We'll explore its meanings, uses, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. So, let's get our feet up and start learning. When we take the phrase, feet up, at face value, it literally means placing one's feet in a higher position than the rest of the body. This is often associated with relaxation or resting. It's a common sight to see someone with their feet up after a long day, indicating they are taking a break or unwinding. Beyond its literal meaning, feet up can also have a more figurative or idiomatic use in English. In this sense, it represents a state of relaxation, ease, or being carefree. For example, someone might say, "I'm just going to put my feet up this weekend," implying they plan to relax and do very little. Let's explore how feet up can be used in various contexts. 1. At home or leisure. After a long week of work, I like to spend my evening with my feet up, watching a movie. 2. In the workplace, it's less common but can be used humorously or critically, as in, "He's always got his feet up, never doing any work." 3. In expressions of care or comfort, such as, "Make yourself at home," "Put your feet up," and "relax." When using feet up, be cautious not to confuse it with expressions that have different meanings, such as "foot the bill" or "get cold feet." Context is key, and the phrase is generally informal and conversational. In some cultures, showing the soles of your feet can be considered rude. However, in many English-speaking countries, the phrase, feet up, is quite benign and universally understood as a sign of relaxation. It's interesting to note cultural differences in interpreting body language and expressions. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, feet up, and how to use it effectively in English. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's also about the cultural and contextual nuances behind them. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to put your feet up once in a while as you learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.